We're starting to hike this afternoon. It's about 2:45, and we're going down this burned out area here. And we're going around the lake. There's actually a nice breeze blowing here, so it's pretty good. And it's not too steep here really. We have to come back up the same way, but as usual, picking them up, putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down. All right, it's good. Maybe we'll see some animals here. As you can see, a forest fire area some time ago. That's why all the trees are down and burned out here and everything. But we're back on the trail here. Actually, we stopped on a hike and we came down that trail over there. You can see it comes around here, comes up and down here. There's our intrepid group of travelers here alongside me, and we're taking a little momentary break. And this is fireweed. It only comes out after a forest fire, and that's why you see lots of it here. It's called fireweed. Beautiful purple flower. You can see it all out over the area where the forest fire was, just wherever you can see. Well, this is one of those berries that he said are not quite ready yet. This is the reddest one I could find, and he said, yeah, here, that's the reddest one I could find.
Yeah, that is.
But I think it's still going to be pretty dry, so I'm going to try it and eat it and see what it is here. But I wanted to ask Matthew first here, but chipmunk in there digging a hole. I don't know, he was in there. There he is. All right, buddy, come on out. Came out to see us. We're all here. How are you? All right, don't bite. I'm backing off, buddy. Don't worry about me. I'm not a threat. Here we go. Here's the falls up here. There they are, falls. You can see. And we got this side here, which is the other side of the bridge. The water coming down there. Got swimmers over there. They're swimming in the water. And we just hiked up that trail. We have to go back up over there, so it's nice, a little bit cooler here. I did eat a berry on the way down. It was quite good, that one that you saw earlier. So there you go. Okay. Falls coming down there. Nice blue water too. It's coming down from the glaciers probably. Okay, we're taking water from down here. We're filtering it out. Always wanted to try some of this to see how it goes. My water can is empty, so we're going to fill it up with filtered water here. So here we go. All right, there it is. It's going in. It's feeling good as it's filling up. We can fill the whole thing up if that's okay with you.
Perfect, got plenty of water.
Okay, good. And I've been in the military. I've had multiple shots over the years from everything you can think of, so I should be good.
Almost there.
There we go. Look at that, going in there, right out of the water. Matthew was kind enough to go down and fill up his kit that he carries with him here. So, all right, there it is. Thank you.
Perfect.
All right, so there it is. We're going to try it now. And there's the water in there. And I'm going to try it. It looks crystal clear too. And we'll see.
Pretty good?
Very good water. Very good here. We did an excellent job here with the water. All right. we go. Waterfalls is kind of thinning out now that we're leaving, and not as many people there. And we're heading back up the trail, and still a little hazy and cloudy, and not too dusty, so it's pretty good. I feel good now that I had more water in me, so that perked me up. And there's the rest of our group here. All right, on the trail going back up from the waterfalls, and I'm not the last one. There's some other stragglers behind me, a few other people down there, and we got our day guide Matt coming up on the rear. So it's got a little cloudy here, which is nice. So it's not as hot going back up as it was coming down, which is good. Still keep my eyes peeled for some more of those thimbleberries. I had 2 of them. They weren't super ripe, but they were pretty good. All right. Well, we're almost back up to the parking lot, to the vans. A nice little breeze here, very nice. A little more cloudiness, so not as hot. All that purple fireweed you see down there after this forest fire, which I think somebody said was in 2015. So in 6 years, this is how the forest has recovered. Ground cover is there. There's little, what do you call them? Not timber pines, larchwood pines, long tent pines. I forget. I'll mark it on the bottom when I think of it here. There's a couple of them up ahead, which I'll point out to you. Making another stop on the trail here. We still got a ways to go yet. There's the lake down there, and coming back over here. We still have to go. Remember earlier in the video I said there's the trail that goes up there, and then it's going to curve back and you go up there. You can see some vehicles maybe up there is the parking lot. All right.